Ever since I was a kid, I loved getting stuff in the mail. I remember ordering things off the back of a comic book and then sitting on the curbstone waiting for REA, if you remember that. I guess that was before FedEx and UPS, waiting for the truck to come. Yeah, ordering full-size submarines for $1 on the back of comic books, stuff like that. So anyways, this is a box opening. Why not? I started collecting cameras a little while ago, and I've limited it to digital cameras and the Micro Four Thirds cameras. And I've bought a couple. These are really pretty amazing cameras. They're very small. There's a ton of different lenses available for them at very reasonable prices, but more importantly, the cameras themselves are crazy and expensive right now. The whole 4/3 camera thing is kind of fallen out of favor a little bit. There's still a lot of people that are involved in it, but by and large, it's not as popular as it was a few years ago. So I had my eye on an Olympus OM-DE-M10. OM-DE-M10 camera. And they were running, you know, $300, $400 here and there. I was on eBay the other day and I see one for $149. And then, you know, the guy says it's in pretty good shape. It's got some signs of use. You know, for 150 bucks, I figured, what the heck, let's give it a shot. I had no idea what it comes with. I basically, if I just get the body, that would be fine. We'll see. So anyways, let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we got for 150 bucks for an Olympus digital Micro Four Thirds camera. Oh, that's a pleasant surprise. We got a nice box anyways, I guess. Wow. Kind of didn't expect that. Olympus box, I mean. Yeah, EM10. Wow. What do we got? Box looks brand new. Look at that. Owner's manual. A disc. Setup disc for the camera. Shows you, I think this camera came out in somewhere around 2008 or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. But that disc is a good example of its age. Look at this. It's in the bag. A nice sealed bag. That's a good idea. Oh my goodness. This thing is in really, really good shape. I'm not seeing any marks on it at all. Screen in the back looks perfect. No scratches. The hot shoe doesn't look like it's ever been used. A little bit of dirt, little dust here and there. This thing's in real nice shape. And let's just make sure we get what we got. Yeah. Model number EM10. Geez, I wonder if it's got a battery in it. Let's check that out. Nope. No battery, no SD card, but the battery compartment looks excellent. Looks like new. And that's important because a lot of times the batteries will fail and really mess these things up. It's got the little things here for the strap. And let's check out what the sensor looks perfect. Wow, there's not even a mark on the mounting ring. Damn. Well, so far, looks like this might be a score. Okay, a little bit of a scratch right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's very faint. But there's a little scratch right there on the viewfinder. Let's put that aside. Let's see what's in the box. Well, we got a real Olympus charger. That's a pleasant surprise. I wasn't expecting it to come with a charger. A real Olympus battery, sealed. Wow, that looks like that's brand new. Doesn't look like that's ever been opened. What else we got in here? Another battery. This is an aftermarket. Nope, it's an Olympus battery. Another real Olympus battery. By the way, if you go on Amazon right now, $65 a piece for this battery. Because I didn't think this camera came with battery, so I just wanted to see what it would cost. Power cord for the charger. Oh, look at that. It does come with a strap. Looks brand new. Doesn't look like it's ever been used. And look at that. We've got the cord to plug it in, to download and to do firmware upgrades. And again, it doesn't look like it's ever been opened. It's got that, you know, that Asian, Chinese, Japanese kind of tape. Look at that. It's like brand new. What else do we got? We got a warranty card. Why not? Never been filled out. I think I'm going to fill it out, send it in, see what happens. I'm sure it's out of warranty. But actually, no, I take that back. This camera on eBay came with a 1-year warranty from Assurance, I think was the name of the company. So it does have a 1-year warranty, which is also pretty amazing. Look at that nice box, like brand new. The box doesn't even have a mark on it. So anyways, I think I did pretty good. Boy, is that small. I mean, I don't have really, really big hands. And look at this. This is crazy how small that is. I mean, let me put it next to a tape measure. That's how small this camera is. I love it. Love these little tiny cameras. And, you know, this is 16 megapixel. And now, of course, you can get 45 megapixel. It does have a tilt screen, so that if you're shooting down low, you can mount the screen down like this, and you can get really low with it. Or if you're shooting up high, you can mount the screen like that. You can hold the camera up over your head. And by the way, in back of this screen is absolutely pristine. God almighty, this is quite amazing. It's got a built-in flash. So this camera was made as an entry-level camera for folks wanting to get into better cameras than they probably had with their cell phones. So it's a pretty simple camera. But I love that it has 2 dials. If you're using it in the manual mode, one is going to do aperture, the other one is going to do shutter speed. I like that a lot. I like that it has just the right amount of controls. It's not overwhelming. Very nice camera. Well, I'm going to have to go give this guy that sold it to me. Came all the way from San Diego to Massachusetts. The guy that sold it to me, I'm going to have to go give him a 5-star rating because this thing is... Look at this. The bottom here where you would mount it on a tripod, there's not a mark at all. And the bottom of these cameras usually get all messed up. I mean, obviously you're always, you know, putting them down on the table and whatnot. And certainly the screens. I mean, I looked at, you know, maybe half a dozen of these, and most of them had cautions that the screen was either cracked in the bottom corner or chipped, and those cameras were, you know, $300. Yeah, we did good. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. Maybe I should go buy a lottery ticket with this good luck. Have a great day.